Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome everyone to the introduction to marine technology course. Today's session about marine industry. The topics will be discussed in this session are shipyard, shipping company, and marine consultant. To begin this session, let's look at the following statement based on Berkeley, IMO, and Chains. So, offshore explorations and production is expected to grow to 45% from 35% of exploration and production over the next decade, and also that over 90% of the work goods by weight and volume are transported by the sea, and over 50% of countries worldwide have an ocean-going naval fleet. So, as explained in the previous session, the success of the marine industry is based on the supply and demands of goods from all over the world. The technological advances such as the development of faster and lighter vessels, the construction of canals, and the improvement of navigation systems have improved the operation of the industry as a whole. These advances have made the movement of cargo easier, more efficient, and safer for the crew, the environment, and the vessels. Based on North American Marine Environment Protection Association, the marine industry is defined as including all economic activities of or related to the oceans, rivers, and Great Lakes. This includes conventional maritime activities such as designing, building, manufacturing, supplying, and maintaining ships or ports, operating and managing shipping lines and manning ships. It may also include employment in maritime law, brokerage, insurance, customs services, fishing, marine science, rescue operation, port, shipyard, dry dock, cruise ship operation, and etc. In addition, the exploration and development of renewable and non-renewable offshore energy sources is part of the marine industry. The marine industry can be divided into four main areas, each of them comprising some specific sectors. There are the area of services, the area of resources, the manufacturing area, and the education and research area. The area of services comprising shipping industry, marine tourism, ports, cruise industry, marine commerce, submarine telecoms, and ocean survey. The area of resources comprising marine fisheries, fishing, aquaculture, seaweed and seafood processing, the energy, offshore oil, gas, and marine renewable energy, and mineral and aggregates. The manufacturing area comprising shipbuilding, marine equipment, marine IT, and marine biotechnology. The education and research area comprising education, training, and research and development activities. Okay, now let's discuss about the shipbuilding industry. The shipbuilding refers to construction of ships and other floating vessels. It normally takes place in a specialized facility known as a shipyard. After the Second World War, shipbuilding grew as an important and strategic industry in a number of countries around the world. This importance stems from the large number of skilled workers required directly by the shipyard, along with supporting industries such as steel mill, railroad, and engine manufacturers. And a nation needs to manufacture and repair its own navy and vessels that support its primary industries. China, South Korea, and Japan are the world's largest shipbuilders, with South Korea and China accounting for the lion's share of the market. Shipbuilding market report summary detailed information by top key players: Hyundai Heavy Industry, Samsung Heavy Industry, Daewoo Shipbuilding, and Marine Engineering, among others. Now let's see the short explanation of shipbuilding industry from the design to the construction. From the design, let's see that there is a customization. The ship usually built based on individual client requests, with the help of ship model tests, virtual simulation, and 3D drawings. Designer can optimize the vessel specifications. Next step is shape forming. The structure of steel will be shaped by casting, forging, rolling, cutting, or welding. The technology such as automation of the production line will be adapted to offer a competitive price and production efficiency. Next stage will be block building and block assembly. The structural steel will be welded to form block at a width that the shipyard cranes can support. Some smaller machinery will be fitted in at this stage. The next stage will be the erection in dock. The blocks will be placed on the top of the keel in the dry dock. Engines, rudders, and propeller will be installed, and the rest of the shipbuilding work will be completed in this stage. And the last will be the launch, sea trial, and delivery. In general, the construction of a commercial ship takes several months. It takes even longer to build a naval ship due to its sophisticated systems. The global shipbuilding market is segmented by type, by end user, and by regions. Based on type, the market is further sub-segmented into cruise ship, cargo ship, military vessel, tugs, fishing vessel, bunker, tanker, small passenger ship, small general cargo carriers. Commercial ship majorly consists of bulkers, container ship, the cruise ship, tankers. Geographically, the global shipbuilding market is segmented into North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, and the rest of the world. The Asia Pacific held the largest share of the market in 2020. This can be attributed to the presence of primary manufacturing powerhouses in the region such as China, Japan, and South Korea. Okay, next is the shipyard. So, a shipyard is a facility for building, maintaining, and repairing ships and boats, which can vary in size from personal sailing boats to large container ship design to travel around the globe. Usually, a shipyard is positioned in an advantageous location along a large inland river, harbor, or shoreline, and some historic shipyards have operated in the same location for hundreds of years. Numerous people work in shipyard, including naval architects, the engineers, electricians, and an assortment of other skilled trade people who contribute to the construction of a ship. A shipyard also has a large amount of specialized equipment. We will discuss fully related to shipyard in the new building technology course. Shipping company. A shipping company is a company, an individual, or a small group of individuals who take decisions on the employment and or otherwise of the factor of production in the shipping world. Included in the shipping companies are linear shipping, passenger shipping, differentiated fleet, and bulk shipping. Thus, we distinguish between the following category of companies. Those specializing in bulk shipping, which manage vessels carrying bulk liquid and dry cargo. Those specializing in linear shipping, which manage vessels carrying unitized cargo on route, linking different ports. Those specializing in passenger shipping, which manage vessels which carry passengers, and last, those of differentiated fleet, which manage vessels with many specializations which are active in more than one market. We can also see in this picture that shipping company is one of the support systems. Okay, now the last, the definition about the marine consultant. The marine consultant is a professional working in the maritime industry who offers his expertise and advice in various aspects such as planning and design of nautical facilities such as port, shipyard, and terminals, or devising optimized trade route or solution to various problem or issue of the company or individual in the industry. Okay, that's all for today. We will discuss this topic in more detail at the next meeting. Thank you.